Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new unboxing video from Amazon Prime. I'm pretty sure I know what this is and I'm so glad it came in before Christmas. I am recording this before Christmas. You guys won't see it until much after, sometime in the new year. And you might see what I'm making with these before you actually see these. So, let's see what we have. Yay, they came in. So this is a set of Gracie Angie pendant trays. It's a 30-piece set of pendant trays. Round bezel with glass cabochons, clear dome, 25 millimeters or 1-inch diameter, and it says 6 colors. I don't see 6 colors. I see like 3 colors, but let's turn it over. Oh no, there's more. So let's take a look and see if we can open these. If I can figure it out. Oh, they're taped up. Everything taped up always. I don't want to wreck my nails. So let me see if I can get this tape off, you guys. And if I can't, you'll have to just wait and see the finished product. Okay, I think I've got the tape cut, but it still doesn't want to open for me. There's just a little piece of tape that was sticking it together. Okay, I finally got it open. So we have a pack of glass cabochons. I don't know how to pronounce that. Cabochon. I don't know. And these are the metal pieces. And it looks like we have this color here. And we have this color here. More of a goldy color. We have a silver. And we have a black. I'm trying to figure out what the last color is. Did I get a bright gold out yet? Is there like a dull gold and a bright gold? No, those are exactly the same. But there is a brighter gold. Here it is. So there's this. These are the two different kind of goldy colors. So 2, 4, 5. Oh my God, there's one more color. Let's just dump these out. So I know you can't see them because they're far away. But I actually cannot see another color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 black ones. And I want to say these are browns. So there's 5 of this color. And there's 5 of the bright gold. 5 of the dull gold. And all the rest are silver. So is there a bright silver and a dull silver? I think so. Very hard for me to tell. So these silver they have more black in them. One of these things. This reminds me of Sesame Street, right? So that's a bright one. That's a bright one. That's a bright one. So, well, these are the colors. So here are the 6 colors. 2 silvers, 2 gold, like a bronze, and a black. So what you do is you take a picture, or you can paint a picture, or whatever, and you take one of these glass domes, and you put the picture in here, you glue it down, and then you just glue this on top, and then you get a really pretty little pendant. So you can use that as a keychain or a necklace or a little keepsake. Create little teeny tiny Christmas decorations. So yeah. So that's what these are. And you will probably see the finished product before you even see this unboxing. Anyway, so these were... They came to $19.20 total with the tax on Amazon.ca. So, and I just ordered these a few days ago. They were $16.99 before tax, and there was $2.21 tax. So they came in very quickly. They came in within 2 days, even though it's Christmas Eve tomorrow. And right now, they're the same price. They're $16.99 right now. So yeah. So I will put a link below. I'll try to remember to put a link below. And that's it for these. So I hope you like that. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Subscribe. Notification bell. All of those good things. All of those good things. And most importantly of all, take care. Stay safe. Bye, guys.